Yes, sir.
You are charged with evading arrest or detention and driving while intoxicated. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
Defendant was observed by officers as well as several security officers driving erratically in the parking lot by failing to stop at a designated stop sign in that parking lot. The defendant was observed on security cameras stepping out of his gray BMW sedan, expose his genitalia, and urinate next to his rear driver's side tire. Officers made contact with the defendant and smelled the strong odor of alcohol, slurred speech, and observed 2 heavy containers in the vehicle. Officers detained the defendant. Defendant was erratic.
Drinking while driving.
Containers in the car yard. Defendant was erratic once placed in the back of the patrol vehicle and continuously banged his head on the window. Defendant spit at a security officer, which made contact with that security officer's left cheek. Defendant denied drinking. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted with the following results: 4 of 6 HGN, 5 of 8 walking, 3 of 4 one-leg stand. As far as the evading goes, Your Honor, officers attempted to grasp the defendant in order to detain him while he was being detained, to try to put handcuffs on him. The defendant was able to slip out and evade it for approximately 100 feet before he was once again detained and placing the handcuffs in the back of the car.
I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward in both of your cases. I am now taking away your privilege to drive. You are not allowed to drive whatsoever for any reason, and I don't give a rat's behind what your excuse is. If I find that you do, I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. Do you understand? I am now sending you for a drug and alcohol test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your body. If you fail to take the test, if you fail to come back, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. You were to come back, and then we will continue on your bond conditions. If you have a problem with drugs or alcohol, you better address it, because if you don't, I'm going to do it for you, and I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand? As it stands now, you will get a scram device that I'm going to put on your ankle so I know that you're not consuming alcohol or anything else at any time. And I'm going to drug test you like crazy. At the first instance you use anything, I will make your bond so high, you'll have patches of hair falling out. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive, and then we'll send you for a drug test, and then we'll have you come back.